how to install Microsoft Store apps using PowerShell in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. Click on search, type PowerShell, click on Windows PowerShell. Suppose you want to install Spotify, then type store install Spotify. Press enter. Once again press enter. Let the app install. Wait for a while. The app is installed now. If you like to check whether the app is installed or not, click on Start. Go to Microsoft Store. Click on Library. Spotify is installed. In the same way, you can install any app. You have to type Store, install, and the app name. Then press enter, and the app will be installed. If you want to know more about PowerShell commands for Microsoft Store, simply type Store and press enter. You can see Store CLI here, which operations commands are given. Helper commands are also given. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.